Quality Management System ISO 9001-2015 standard, clause number 7.2. This is a little bit long clause, so that I am taking is section wise. 7.2 Competence. Under the resource 7.1 we talked about people should be there and they have some infrastructure and all these requirement. Now 7.2, a people who is working under the organization, it is really capable or not, and how we develop this, their competency, all this will talk here under the clause number 7.2 and 7.3. Again here we can say organization shall determine the necessary competence of the person. First we decide the what is the competence of the person doing under its control. The person who is working at there, it is really competent or not. It means we need to decide that. How we decide? We can make skill matrix or anything. Ensure the person are competent on the basis of appropriate education, means the work which he is delivering, he should have or she should have this education, training and experience. C. Where applicable, take action to acquire necessary competence. The person who is working, and if required, like you change the process or anything, at that time you have to train him and provide necessary competence and check its effectiveness. Retain appropriate documented information. Now here you can say again, check documented information as evidence of competence, means we have to show the person who is working their skill matrix or any documented information we have or not. It is the evidence of competence. So competence part, talking about this skill matrix. And now 7.3, the person who is working in the organization, whether he is aware about the quality policy, quality objective or not. First you can say organization shall, again here shall, means you have to check or ensure that the quality policy should be understand, quality objective should be understand, effectiveness of the quality management system, implication and conformity of this requirement. 7.3 call awareness talks about we have provided necessary training or not. For this training record, conduct the training calendar, all these things requirement will be mentioned here. 7.3. Now clause number 7.4. 7.4 communication. Organization shall, again here shall determine the internal and external communication. Internal communication means whatever the notice, whatever the circular is there, that should always be communicated. External communication, any government body, any customer or any regulatory body or any other, by any other method, external communication which we get, we should mention and circulate to the quality management system. So whether we are doing or not, we have to check here on what to communicate, when to communicate, with whom to communicate, how to communicate, and who communicates, who will do. All the methods we have to decide and mention in our manual. Now clause number 7.5. 7.5 a little bit or interesting clause, so that I am covering it in the next video. Thank you.